After the Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai volcano erupted on January 15, 2022. I started thinking how many more volcanoes could go at any given time, so I did some research and found many that could blow their tops any moment. Here are just 10 of them out of many, in no particular order. Number 1 is Mount Paektu in North Korea. It is also known as North Korea's slumbering giant. The last eruption was estimated to be in 946 AD. The height of the volcano is 9,003 feet. A series of minor earthquakes in the Paektu area between 2002 and 2005 raised fears that lava was pouring into a shallow magma chamber, raising the likelihood of another large eruption. The 1.6 million people who live within 100 kilometers, 60 miles, of the volcano would be in risk if it erupted. North Korean government scientists responded by contacting seismologists from around the world for assistance in analyzing the volcano. Scientists from North Korea, the United Kingdom, the United States, and China participated in the Uncommon Study Partnership. The international group published their initial results in April 2016 after establishing a network of seismometers, sensors that monitor ground motion, between China and North Korea in 2013. In this picture, North Korea students pose atop Mount Paektu in September 2019. Number 2 is Mount Shasta in California in the United States. The last eruption was estimated to be in 1250. The height of the volcano is 14,179 feet. In the state of California, more than 500 volcanic vents have been discovered. During the last 10,000 years, at least 76 of these vents have erupted, some of them many times. Volcanic activity in the past has ranged from tiny rhyolitic and basaltic eruptions to huge catastrophic rhyolitic eruptions in scale and kind. Volcanoes in California will erupt again sooner or later, and they could have devastating consequences. Number 3 is Mount Fuji in Japan. The last eruption was in 1707. The height of the volcano is 12,389 feet. Mount Fuji, one of Japan's most iconic symbols, last erupted in 1707, according to National Geographic. However, according to the Japan Times, Japanese government authorities are concerned that it would erupt again, causing billions of dollars in damage as well as significant loss of life because it is only 62 miles from Tokyo. According to the South China Morning Post, some scientists are concerned that previous eruptions of other Japanese volcanoes may have triggered Mount Fuji's eruption by producing instability deep beneath it, causing ash to build up and burst out the top. Number 4 is Mount Hood in Oregon in the United States. The last eruption was in 1866. The height of the volcano is 11,249 feet. According to a short documentary from the Underworld channel on YouTube, Mount Hood is the most likely of 5 volcanoes in Oregon to erupt. Because the article didn't include a link to this documentary, I'll have to leave it up to you to find it if you must. Furthermore, geologists estimate that the most likely Mt. Hood eruption will deliver the deadliest of all volcanic threats. Finally, a geologist from Portland State University requested that it be treated as a public safety issue, while award-winning science writer Shannon Hall stated that the volcano is scarcely monitored. Number 5 is Mount Ruapehu in New Zealand. The last eruption was in 2007. The height of the volcano is 9,177 feet. Mount Ruapehu, one of the real volcanoes utilized as a filming location for Mount Doom in the Lord of the Rings movies, now has a warning level of 1 out of 5, indicating mild volcanic instability, according to the New Zealand government's Geological Hazards Monitoring Agency GeoNet. The GeoNet scale ranges from 0 to 5, with 0 indicating no volcanic activity and 5 indicating a large eruption. An eruption may occur at any level, and levels may not move in sequence as activity can change fast, GeoNet adds. According to Reuters, this happened in December 2019 when Wakari/White Island, a volcano not thought to be in imminent danger of erupting, suddenly erupted, killing 21 people. Number 6 is Tungurahua in Ecuador. The last eruption was in 2016. The height of the volcano is 16,480 feet. According to Science Alert, geologists warned in February that this South American volcano is displaying indicators of structural collapse. According to experts at Oregon State University, The volcano has been erupting on and off since 1995, and its name translates to "throat of fire" and "the black giant" in the native Quechua language. According to the Smithsonian's Global Volcanism Program, the most recent big eruption occurred in 2016. Number 7 is Mount Kilauea, in Hawaii in the United States. The last eruption was in 2018. The height of the volcano is 4,091 feet. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, Kilauea is the world's most active volcanic mass. The volcano, which was the fabled home of Pele, the Hawaiian fire goddess, spewed lava constantly from around 1983 through 2018, when the USGS announced it appeared to have stopped. The volcano, according to Scientific Americans, will almost definitely erupt again shortly. Number 8 is Anak Krakatoa, in Indonesia. Its eruption status is considered ongoing. The height of the volcano is 360 feet. According to the Smithsonian's Global Volcanism Program, a partial collapse of this volcano created a terrible tsunami in 2018 that killed hundreds of people, and it has been erupting ever since. According to scientists at Oregon State University, the volcano, which was generated in part by the collapse of the much bigger Krakatoa volcano in 1883 and whose name means "child of Krakatoa," is particularly unpredictable because some eruptions have exhibited no discernible pattern. Number 9 is the Taal volcano, in the Philippines. Its eruption status is considered ongoing. The height of the volcano is 1,020 feet. On July 1, 2021, a year after the previous eruption of Taal volcano, its main crater emitted a 1-kilometer-high phreatomagmatic plume with no associated volcanic earthquake. As a result, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology of the Department of Science and Technology upgraded the alert level from 2 to 3 out of 5. Magma extruding from the main crater, which could cause an explosive eruption, is referred to as an alert level 3. Number 10 is Mount Nyiragongo in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Its eruption status is considered ongoing. The height of the volcano is 11,380 feet. Mount Nyiragongo is dubbed the world's most deadly volcano by Oregon State University researchers. This isn't just because of the massive amounts of lava it spews out of its lava lake on a regular basis, but also because of the deadly chemicals it emits. According to the BBC, a mixture of poisonous gas and lava from Mount Nyiragongo killed over 100 people in the nearby city of Goma in January 2002. On the morning of Saturday, May 22, 2021, the Mount Nyiragongo volcano in the Democratic Republic of Congo began erupting, with fissures on the volcano's southern side sending lava pouring into nearby communities. According to media sources, at least 31 people have died as a result of the eruption as of May 26, and 232,433 people have been evacuated from the area, according to official reports from the Democratic Republic of Congo's Ministry of Communications. This is Mount Nyiragongo's first major eruption since 2002, when it killed 245 people and displaced over 120,000 people.